Okay, very good morning to everyone. Hope to see you all today. Today is 2nd March 2022. We are on Wednesday. So everyone can hear my voice?
Can, Doc.
Can, huh?
Yes, loud and clear.
Loud and clear. Good, very good. Okay, so today our topic is more to skin problem. Actually, when you take a skin problem, we have so many type of skin problem, but I only take some portion that really need to be looked at it, like some type of skin problem. We have so many skin problem. Okay, when I go through do some research on the skin problem, I found out that we have almost 20 type of skin problem. Okay, almost 20 type. So, but we're not going to discuss on the 20 type, but we will take the main. Once you can solve the main one, I think the small one will disappear by itself. Okay, by disappear itself. And today we see what kind of the skin problem and what are the solution using Ganotherapy. Okay, normally we need to be more hygiene on taking care of the skin. That's why a lot of our DXN product is a very good for skin, especially collagen. Pearl powder is a very powerful collagen for the skin. Why pearl powder? Pearl powder already using in 700 years ago by China people from China, Taiwan, and also in European countries. So many things so many countries already start to use that for collagen, because the protein in pearl powder and our skin protein, our bone protein is almost equivalent. That's why pearl powder has been used widely for external and internal use. Okay, so we will see on the type of skin problem and all about common skin disorders and all about skin orders. And there are so many type of skin disorders is happening nowadays. Okay, nowadays. So most of the time I see when people are stressed, people are eating food, people are infected, okay, or acidity level very high, they have a lot of type of different type of skin disorder. Until certain time when we have certain disorder in the skin, the doctors also cannot find which disorder is that. Basically, they will use a steroid type of corticosteroid type of medication for you to control, to suppress the problem for temporary. Some problem after we taking the steroid type of medication in the modern medicine industry, it will disappear. Some it won't disappear. It's just temporary for a few weeks and it come back again worse. So there are so many types we need to see here to make sure where we are and how to solve completely out from our body. That is actually most of the skin. I can tell you 99.9% of skin disorder is happening due to our toxication, accumulated of toxin in our body, especially liver detoxification is not properly done, because for skin, liver playing a big role. Okay, second, our colon playing a big role. If your colon also not very clean and your colon is very dirty and your digestion is not perfect, your toilet removal tools are not perfect, and you might have a skin disorders. Okay, we go on. The first we see most of the part is acne. We have seen so many type of acne. Acne also got so many type. Actually, basically, sometimes it become too many. Some is like spotted here and there. Some is like one only, but very big. Okay, so all these things happen because some bacteria is affected. Or some toxication accumulated in the colon area. So you cleanse the colon, the space become clean. Okay, so commonly located on the face, neck, shoulder, chest, and upper back. Okay, breakout on the skin composed of blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, or deep painful cysts and nodules. may leave scars or darken the skin if untreated. Okay, that's why most of the acne we should not use our nail to poke out. People using the nail to poke all the pimples in the face. So you can go and see a proper face therapist. They can remove the blackheads, whiteheads, pimples in a correct process. Okay, and in terms of hygienation, we just cleanse our face, not too many times. Cleaning too many times also not good for face. Maybe 3 times a day should be okay. You every 1 hour you go and wash your head. Face is not very good. Okay, because our face naturally consists of some kind of oil pigmentation controlled. Okay, to make sure bacteria not entering, this oil pattern will control the bacteria not to absorb into the things, because oil can trap all the bacteria and viruses entering into the skin area. So if your lack of oil, then also you have problem. If you have too much of oil in the face also, it's a problem. So we need to have a correct amount of oil processing in the face. Then you see a lot of people's face are very nice, very clean. They don't have a lot of problems lah. Okay. Okay. So what are the solution for that acne issue? Okay. What the solution for the acne is actually that we can wash our face using the aloe vera face wash, or Gano Soap daily 2 times or 3 times lah. Not too much, but 2 to 3 times a day. And make sure you are always clean and always use a clean towel. A lot of people using a dirty towel to wash their face. And that is not good, because from the dirt, the bacteria from the towel can absorb into your skin. So that's why you must make sure you have a clean towel for your face. They call it face towel. The normal towel used for body towel, not face towel. But nowadays people are using all together. Okay, better to keep one, especially when you wash when your shower time should be okay. But especially when you wash your face, you must use a face towel to clean it, to make sure there's no bacteria affected to your skin of your face. Okay, so what basically you can take GL 1 capsule 3 times daily, Spirulina 2 tablets 3 times daily, Roselle 2 tablets 3 times daily, because vitamin C playing a big role for your skin. Okay, you can mix GL, Spirulina, Morinzi, all these things and mask 2 times weekly or 3 times weekly or daily also, no problem. Because GL and Spirulina mask is very good for skin, to face skin. You also can add in pearl powder. Pearl powder also highly utilized for the people utilize for face, because your face become very clean. Okay, and also pearl powder also you can take orally to make sure your skin and skin collagen and your bone collagen are completely enough for your daily daily nutrition balancing lah. Okay, so we go for the next issue, cold sore. This will happen quite number of people nowadays. It's like some kinds of blister that especially happen in the mouth area, lips area. Okay, and also sometimes it's also go inside a bit. It also attacks some gums. Sometimes the gums also have this kind of problem. Okay, and outbreaks may also accompanied by mild flu-like symptoms such as low fever, body aches, swollen lymph nodes, all these things. And children also always have these kinds of bacteria infection, because sometimes they go and touch a lot of dirty things and they just put in the mouth, and this bacteria can affect it. And this one can be very serious. Okay, I've treated few cases like this. It's very serious because you never taken precaution in the early stage, and end of the day they cannot eat anything. The whole mouth become blisters. Okay, and there's no treatment. After they're giving a steroid treatment, it never go off. Then they come back to us. we give them Gano oil, a lot of things for them to eat, and then we can see it slowly disappeared, slowly disappeared and become better. So if you have like this kind of cold sore, make sure your towel, everything must be very clean, and you must maintain your hygiene, face hygiene very highly, because this one look like simple, but once it start to affected some other area, then you have a big problem. Okay, and how to solve this cold sore? Wash your face using the Asian aloe vera wash, okay, or Gano soap 2 times daily or 3 times daily, shouldn't be a problem. And for orally, take RGGL 1 capsule 3 times daily. Andro G you must give because it's a bacterial infections, you must take. And Roselle tablet 2 tablets 3 times daily. A part of it you can mix Gano oil, Andro G, turmeric, and apply to the area. Maybe 3 times or 4 times daily. Make sure you apply, keep on apply, and slowly you can see it disappear. Okay, and slowly one by one wound will be healed. Okay, okay. The next we are going towards the blister type of category. A lot of people have this blister, end up with losing their leg. Okay, it starts with a small blister because not taken care properly. Okay, because not taken care properly, what will happen? This blister become infected and slowly it will spread to other area, end up become a big wound that cannot be controlled. So in hospital, they just cut off the thing, they remove, they just treat. But at the end of the day, if it infected, it start to grow bigger and end up this person losing their leg. Especially this kind of blisters you see for diabetes patient. If you have like diabetes, taking some insulin, taking diabetes medicine, you must be very careful. Okay, when you see this kind of small blisters happen in your leg, okay, immediately you just follow the solution I will give you. Okay, I will give you later. Okay, just follow the same solution and exactly what I'm telling you, then this wound immediately will heal. If you don't take care, then you have a big problem. Okay, look like small, but it can end up with losing your leg. Okay, that's very dangerous here. Okay, so then the solution for your blister, okay, very simple. Wash using your DXN body foam. It's not face. I need to wash, cut this one. I have to remove the face. Okay, so it's wash using DXN body foam. Break the blister. Okay, small. You just take a small needles or whatever. Just poke it, but make sure before you poke it, you make sure you heat up the bleeder in the needle in a small fire, or you put the needle into the hot water. Then you take the needle out. This to make sure there's no infected. So you just poke a small hole. Once you put the small hole, the water from the blister will come out. Once you pump out or take it out all the water from the skin, you can see the soft skin is surrounding the stick there. So slowly cut off the soft skin. Once you cut off the soft skin, you can see completely the skin, the layer, the tissue that is like burning tissue, is that without the skin. So what you do, you apply RG powder and put a gauze on top of it. Okay, once you put RG powder on top of it, clean it 2 times daily. Okay, what you can take orally, basically you can take RGGL 3 times a day, Andro G, Spirulina 2 tablets 3 times daily. For more precaution, you can take Codipine mix or Morinzi to make sure the healing is faster. So it's also depend on the size of the blister and also damaging made by that blister. Some blister they damage until pus. Okay, some blister just on the top layer. Some blister until the second layer, third layer. So we have to see what kind of blister, then what are the depth of the blister has been damaged your skin area that affected. Okay, that's very helpful. So whatever it is, you just follow the same standard that I teach you. Follow that thing, clean it properly, make sure you hygiene it properly. For until certain healing, don't go anywhere. Don't just go out and because when you go out, maybe some infections, maybe some dust can attack the skin area, then the skin become a pus and it will infect it more. So take care on this part. Okay. The next is actually eczema. In Malaysia, we can see so many people affected with eczema. Eczema is actually related to your colon system, okay, your colon system. That's why most of my patients that has eczema, I ask them to become vegetarian, okay, better, because when you become vegetarian, you can control your acid hydrochloric in your stomach, not to penetrate towards your bloodstream and make more worse. So once you can control that, and most of the times we can see a lot of effectiveness of the treatment. Okay, and you must make sure that eczema is one of the biggest issue. Is actually a colon area. You must cleanse your colon. That's why myco-veg all playing a big role to clean your colon. A part of myco-veg, more enzyme, you can take what you call some other dosages also. Later I will explain you the dosages. And you must be very careful on handling this eczema, because some part of eczema can bleed, and very itchy. And a lot of people, they start to scratch using the nail and become more damages happen into the skin area. Okay, I've treated quite number of eczema, and the problem is people is not easy to follow. Okay, whoever just follow what I say, okay, they are heal fast and become better. But some people cannot control their mouth. They want to eat everything. Then they suddenly eat seafood. A lot of things when they do, it keep on flaring up. So for time until you're completely reversed, then you must follow the guideline given. Otherwise, the improvement will happen, but it become very slow. Okay, you can see the improvement, but very slow. But if you have a faster improvement, become vegetarian, you can take a little bit of fish and certain other items based on the one I will advise for the eczema patients, especially. Okay, and most of the time when the eczema occurred, and you can see that area, there's no small hairs not appeared. So because it killed the pores. It killed the pores. Okay. So what is the solution for the eczema? Okay, we wash using DXN body foam 2 times daily. Gently scrub. You buy the small scrub. You apply the body foam. You wet the scrub. You just scrub all your body. Okay. After you scrub, you can use the Gano Soap to shower. After shower, make sure your body is completely dry. Then apply the Gano oil. Okay. Then make sure you keep the Gano oil in your hand and keep on moisturizing. Keep on moisturizing the area that affected with Gano oil. That means like 3 hours, 4 hours once, you can see the area become dry. When it dry, you can start to itchy. So when every time 2 hours to 3 hours, you put 1 drop there, you just apply the Gano oil. So the area that the dry skin area will be moisturized with the Gano oil. In a longer run, I tell you, very fast, you can see the new skin will pop up that area, and we can see a proper nice skin is coming back there. So the hair follicle surrounding that area, all you can see that has started to grow already. Means you are healing. Okay, what you take orally, you can give GL, RG 1 capsule daily, but every 1 week try to increase 1 capsule. That means GL you take 1 morning, 1 AM, 1 night. Then maybe for 1 month, first 1 month you take the first dosage, GL 1 capsule 3 times, RG 1 capsule 3 times. Come to the second month, every week you just increase 1 capsule. You just increase 1 capsule. That means on the fifth week, the fourth week is the second month. So the second month you take 1 morning, 1 evening, maybe 2 in the night. On the 5th week, you take 1 morning, 2 evening, 2 capsule evening, 2 capsule night, become 5. So slowly you need to increase. The more you increase, you can see the more the skin will be peel off, and you can see a lot of new skin start to regenerate back. And when you follow a fruit diets, vegetable diet, avoid seafood, avoid a lot of itchiness type of food, then you can see the improvement is very high. And you must give more vitamin C. Here I put Roselle 2 tablets 3 times daily, but you can give them more vitamin C, is more better. Okay, Andro G 1 capsule 3 times daily. You also can give a apple powder mixed with the Roselle tablet or Roselle powder. Okay, you also can give them a Morinzi to more healing categories for more faster healings. Okay, so the next one we see on the psoriasis. Okay, psoriasis we can see more deeper than the eczema. Eczema is the first layer, second layer, but psoriasis we can say it can attack until the fourth layer, fifth layer, sixth layer. The depth is very high. When the depth is very high, it's very hard to solve. Okay, so is eczema and psoriasis, we can see eczema is lower scale thing, but psoriasis higher depth scale skin problem. So but the process is same. The process of treatment is same. Okay, same thing. Wash using the DXN body foam, gently scrub, clean it 2 times daily. Apply Gano oil. Keep on applying Gano oil at the area to keep on moisturize the area. Okay, and RGGL you just keep on increasing. First month you maintain 111. Second month onwards, every week you increase 1 capsule, 1 capsule, 1 capsule, 1 capsule. Then you can see once if they completely heal, then slowly you can reduce it back. You reduce it from 4 become 3, 3 become 2, become 1, and then you can reduce it back. That means your toxic is completely removed. Your skin already regenerated back. Then completely you won't get your eczema or psoriasis back again. Okay, Andro G you give Roselle tablets. Take and more fruit and vegetable. Avoid seafood. Okay, best is to be vegetarian lah. This is best lah. But if you cannot avoid that, but you still can go for fish. Okay, fish also you have see like kembung fish all is very itchy, you cannot take. Okay, like then pari, ikan pari all is acidity. You taking, then you have a lot of itchiness. So you control that. Other than that, I think no worries on other type of fish. And ikan bilis, the anchovies, the one is don't take lah, because that one also can create a more itchiness to your system. Vegetable wise, I think no issue, is okay, and keep on applying and you can see a lot of changes. Apart from it, you still can take codipine, black cumin, pearl powder, all these things you can take, no issue. Okay, good. So we're going on the example of testimonials of skin problem that we have solved. And this is the one case of a man with some kinds of eczema. But this kind of eczema, they got come out with small spotted all over the body. Okay, all over the body, and he suffered more than 5 years on these things. Okay, but after they take the treatment, it's completely, you see, he's healed ready. He's very happy. He's completely, because he suffered for almost 5 years. It takes almost 7 months to completely reverse, but he follows actually. He changed to vegetarian. He take more greens, veggie, fruits. Okay, but he taking kampung egg, kampung chicken little bit, and fish. But all the red meat is stopped. Until now, he said, okay, once I recover, I don't want to eat any more than red meat. Okay, this is his wish better to become because he already suffered quite long. Okay, the second case, you see the skin like a plastic. Okay, the skin like can peel like a plastic. You can peel it one by one. Every area you can peel it. Once you peel it, it comes like plastic. Okay, this comes kind of a skin problem in the body that end up with because of this problem happened. You know, she is the diabetes, pressure medicine, heart problem. Okay, after this become worse, the hospital stop all the medicine. They say don't take any medicine, because the more they take, become more worse. The whole over body like plastic. Okay, After that, when they come and see me, it take me almost 1 year to reverse her back because she's quite old, almost 70 years plus. And she suffered a lot. She suffered a lot with this thing. It's not itchy, but she cannot, she don't have, you see, she cannot fingerprint, all the fingerprint all disappear already. They all become plastic. See, like plastic man really has the skin like plastic all over the body. And after treatment, almost 9 months plus, completely she reversed back and no more problem anymore. Okay, it's completely recovered. The next case you see there is like cellulitis and also eczema. We already healed it completely. There you can see the new skin, new leg, completely reversed. And this one is a psoriasis. Lady suffered 20 years of psoriasis in 6 month to 7 month time. This photo is taken 7 months after the treatment. The leg part all almost cleared already, but the body and hand part still a little bit gone lah. But still continuing our medication, and she was very happy after so many years. Things are cleared. She have spent, I think, almost 100 over 1,000 just to recover, to get these things off. But end of the day, she failed. But lucky she met us, and we managed to reverse her back, and she was very happy. Okay. Another case also psoriasis. You can see how the psoriasis attacking the skin. And after the treatment, this photo is 3 months treatment. After 3 months, this one you see a lot of wound. Because this girl, this is 13 years old girl. I tell you, her hand always very itchy. She just go and keep on scrub using the nail. And I advise her, don't touch that, but you're very hard to control this girl. Okay, nighttime when sleeping, she go and scrub. Because the itchiness is reduced, but not so bad. But she's happy lah. The things are become much better and better. Okay. The next slide is also psoriasis. This kind of different kind of psoriasis. You see, psoriasis also, in my view, I see so many psoriasis type. Some like patching, some like eczema, but some like deep inside, some like dark color. So it's also depend on the severity and depend on the level of toxication inside the body. Okay, after we treat, you can see a lot of changes happen. Everything is drop ready and become the skin all grow back nicely ready. You can see the mark is still there. The after one, you can see the skin is growing back, coming back after it all dropped and nicely. So this is how this patient is treated. And thank you for the day. Okay, healthy way with DXN to make sure you all live with DXN with a lot of improvement happen to mankind. Okay, let me stop the share. Okay, we go back to the main screen. Okay, so far any questions about today's topic on the skin diseases? Actually, I've not covered quite number of things because when I go through small things, all I just leave it off. So we just focus on the real one. And when you have some kind of these things that not covered, you can use the same process. Okay, there's one question here. What is the remedy for skin pigmentation on hand and face? Okay, skin pigmentation, you have to scrub it out. People never scrub. Okay, you must use the you can apply a body foam. Body foam is very good. Before you shower, you apply a body foam. Okay, skin pigmentation, apply a body foam. Let it be what do you call, maybe let it dry. After dry, before shower, you just buy a good one, good body scrub or face scrub. So you put a body foam inside, then you just scrub it off because you must scrub the dead cell out. If you don't scrub the dead cell out, the dead cell won't drop. Okay, because dead cell sometimes trapped together with the good cell. When it trapped together with the good cell, it won't drop. So in a longer run, you just apply outside. This dead cell suppose drop because the dead cell stuck into the good cell. It won't let the good cell to come out. Okay, so it's like blocked. But when you apply all the cream, is outside the dead cell, and you can see there's no improvement. That's why you need to scrub. yeah, using a sponge. So when you, but before that, you need to put some kind of a treatment. The body form is very good. Apply the body form. DXN body form is very powerful. Apply the body form. Okay, then scrub it. After scrub, wash it using Gano Soap or Aloe Vera facial. Okay, complete that. Before sleep, you can apply Gano oil or virgin coconut oil. Okay, Gano oil and virgin coconut oil is very powerful to remove the dead cell from your body. You can remove the out. So that's why after you scrub everything, then you you come back, you apply, you take a face cotton, you put some of the Gano oil or virgin coconut oil, you just paste on the like scrubbing lah, mild scrubbing. Okay, the face, you can see something like dead cell all come out. Okay, that means your dead cell is coming out. You must throw out the dead cell out. Once the dead cell has been thrown out, and the new cell will pop up again from the internal. Okay, that's why our skin is keep on dropping. We must understand a human being skin is keep on dropping. So one day, so many million cells are dead. That skin will drop. Then new skin will come back. So to provide the new skin, you must scrub it. That's why when we shower, we need to scrub and shower, not using hand and shower. So many people using hand and shower. Okay, you just rub using hand. Okay, 2 minutes, like P. Ramlee, they call it like P. Ramlee shower lah. You watch P. Ramlee movie, you know lah. It's like call it P. Ramlee shower, not shower at all. Okay, and you must scrub your body. Once you scrub, the dead cell will drop and new cell will pop up. Then you see your skin is more healthier. You can see your healthier skin. Okay. What to consume and apply for skin tag around the neck area? Okay, you can apply Gano oil, pearl powder. You can see Gano oil, virgin coconut oil, pearl powder, morinzi, RG, all this turmeric, all these things you can mix and apply to the neck area. And you must leave it for a while. You should not like put, apply, clean it, or not. Before that, you apply body foam. Then scrub it. Okay, then you can apply all this mixture, as I told you, virgin coconut oil or Gano oil, morinzi. Morinzi is very good. It's actually a scrubber. Morinzi, pearl powder, this RG, you can apply, make a paste, apply to the neck area. Leave it maybe 2-3 hours. Then you scrub it. Once you scrub it, before you start, you can add in the body foam also inside the documentation, so it become like some thick solution. So apply first, leave it for 2-3 hours, then you scrub and out. So you definitely can see the changes. Is there any way to get rid of liver spots on the arms and face? Liver spot on the arms and face. Okay, some of the spots is like internal depth inside. When you depth inside, like sometimes like mole, it's like depth inside. Mole is like what, like a tree, you know, it has a root. So that's why when you peel up, you can see a big hole inside, because you just pull out. When you pull out a tree, you can see a hole because the root is already penetrate inside. Same thing like mole in our face. So when you peel it off, you can see a big hole inside. That's why we have to, when you have like mole, all these things, it's like some kind of viruses. You can buy some of the in Sensei shop, something as a mold removal, like a button type of some kind of treatment. You just stick on it, few days, you just pull it out, it will come out. But when you want to get liver spot, the small break spot, it's also a dead cell. It also a viral attack because it also have an inner depth. Okay, some you remove it using a laser treatment. You just cut it off because it's like a skin that cannot drop but stick on the skin. There's a few cells stick on the skin and it become like a small things that can be movable. So best you go what do you call skin special, not skin specialist, skin therapist already can do lah. When you go salon or certain skin therapists, they can using some kinds of laser treatment to remove it all. So that's the best part, you can remove it lah. Okay. and you must check with them how bad it is, because we have to see the depth of each spot. If the depth is the external layer, when you scrub, it will clear. But if the depth is going inside the layer, you cannot simply scrub it. But you can scrub, you can see some changes, but not very high. Depend on the case basis. You must see, depend on the case basis. Okay. Good. Any other questions?
Doc, I think there's one on skin pigmentation on hand and face.
Yeah, I already talked about the skin at the hand and face. That one you are using the scrubbing technique. For internal, you always remember, for internal utilization, remember that you always take a pearl powder. You want a good skin, you want a nice skin. Pearl powder, vitamin C is very, very highly needed by body. You want a clean skin, okay? You need this more, okay? Pearl powder and vitamin C. Eat more fruits, vegetables. You can have a good skin actually, okay? So that's why we need a proper skin nutrition. Taking carrots, you grind your carrots, mix with the milk, warm milk, carrot and warm milk. It's very powerful antioxidant for your skin. So you will have like a what do you call a glowing skin, not like old skin. No, it like a young skin. This is the difference. Milk mixed with the crush of carrots every day. When you mix and drink, it can give you very powerful antioxidant for your skin. It can help you to make your skin more younger skin. That means it's not like older skin. People have older skin. When you keep on practicing that, you can see your skin elasticity will increase. Okay. Kampung egg. Egg also very powerful because it has a lot of vitamins for the skin areas. It's very good. That's why those time people start to eat more half-boiled egg. But nowadays all goreng egg, no value lah. So half-boiled egg is very powerful for the skin nutrition. Okay, what to apply for fat lump on the back of the body getting bigger day by pain? Okay, fat lump actually is a cholesterol lump. Okay, when you come to cholesterol lump, you can take vinaigrette. Okay, vinaigrette, vinaigrette. We have vinaigrette. We have honey vinaigrette. We have vinaigrette. Maybe 10 ml you mix with morinzi and you drink daily with vitamin C together. And also take monascus. Okay, and at the lump area, you put Gano oil. You heat up the Gano oil, apply, put on top of the head, and give a heat. Give a heat every day. Give a heat. Rub it until you feel the heat, because the heat can actually dissolve. Once we heat, okay, we just scrub on. We just rub on the area. Gentle massage, they call it a gentle massage on the area for a few minutes. Okay, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You keep on rubbing. This heat will melt down the lump. Recently, I have won cases like this. When you keep on doing like this with the Gano oil, but Gano oil you heat up first. You take in a spoon, you take a candle, he heat up the Gano oil, not like boil until boil, heat up, warm heat. Put the oil on top of the lump area, then you massage around 2 to 3 minutes non-stop. Okay, keep on massage 2 to 3 minutes. Then slowly you can see the lump becomes smaller. And the lump becomes smaller. It's actually cholesterol lump. And for internal use, I give RGGL basic, vinaigrette, and also monascus. So vinaigrette and monascus are actually a very good cholesterol cleanser and balancer. Okay, clear? So follow that. Once you follow exactly, I tell you, you sure can see a lot of good results. Because nowadays people follow one day, the next day, aya malas lah, Malaysian style lah. Or 2 weeks, forget everything. 2 weeks, we forgot everything. Okay, so Keep on do. Then we can see a lot of changes. You see, in DX and in a holistic medicine, it's not like a magic, And people who really follow exactly, we can see a lot of improvement, especially kidney patient, all these things. When they follow, especially when they come and see us in the worst case scenario, some we can help, some we cannot help, because when they come to us, it's too late ready. But the cases that came to us in the earlier stages, at least we managed to balance them back to normal conditions. They are happy. Okay, they are happy. So these are the things. That's why you see, we don't wait. A lot of things we wait, and we go hospital. We know the doctor said no solution. The question is, we don't ask the doctors. When you have some problem, when you go and meet doctors, ask them a question. Ask them whether they have a treatment completely for this or not, or they just want to give you a treatment to suppress for temporary. If they say suppress for temporary, no point you are taking the treatment at all, because it won't work. It won't work. If it really work for you, if they can really tell you that, yeah, these things will work, okay, then you can maintain it. And most of the time, we don't ask the questions, and later part, we start to blame the doctors at all. So why they don't tell us earlier, like especially arthritis. All the doctors in the world know arthritis, no cures. Okay, no cures in a modern medication industry. Okay, so the most they can give you suppression using steroid, but the side effect steroid in the long run will damage your kidney, liver, and also some other organs and blood vessels, everything. But in a natural medicine, you change your food, you change your lifestyle. We teach you how to change your lifestyle. We teach you what to eat. We teach you how to eat. So you see, how to eat also wrong. No, so many people don't know how to eat. No, don't know how to eat. See the food, just rampage. They call it go rampage. See the food, go rampage, finish. Okay, end of the day, never eat. Just fill up the stomach enough. No, it's not like that. So we must follow the correct way of eating, and water, balance it together. So once we follow all these things, we can see the person can be improved. We have so many cases like skin problem. I've treated so many. Instead, I'm also eczema patient, the worst patient. I'm suffered for 10 years. But when I follow back accordingly the holistic methods, until now I'm clear from so many years already. I don't get back the what do you call eczema again. Last time so bad. Until I wearing my always all my collection is only long sleeves, no short sleeve. In that kind of stages, and always wear tie, just close the neck. This is the real. But when you follow back the thing, you accordingly, you follow, you change your lifestyles, balance your colon, and treat yourself, then I can see completely reversed. And I'm happy. No more itchy here, itchy there, ma. I tell you, eczema patient, because I'm on the eczema patient, I tell you, I can feel what are these people are going through. No, I tell you, the whole day, night, you scrubbing here and there, you itchiness because of itchiness. I tell you, it's really a nightmare. So that kind of problems happen for these people. So that's why skin things is very, very important. You have to take care of your skin, make sure you're, and also you can get like aloe vera lotion applied to the skin to make sure the skin is not breakable, not cracked, because nowadays it's too dry kind of environment. So you need to have too dry means if you're in a hot sun, also too dry. If you're in a cold, high cold, also dry. A lot of people now sitting down not under the hot sun, no, under the high cold environment. High cold environment make your dry skin. So apply some kinds of lotion. Okay, we have aloe vera lotion and also so many types. Apply the Gano oil, apply the virgin coconut oil. Our virgin coconut oil not only internal use, is also used for external application. Virgin coconut oil very powerful. Every day you can apply in your face. Your neck area. You just clean, you just scrub it using the oil, just scrub using the face cotton, just scrub it, apply to your face. You see, a lot of things will change. Okay, so especially these kind of things, I tell you, it's not only ladies lah, guys also nowadays a lot of maintaining lah. But guys always got value lah, no problem lah. Lagi tua, lagi power. Okay, for ladies, wow, they must take care, you know, the face, all these things. So that's why they have to go certain therapies to make sure they are always beauty lah. Okay. Okay, good. So any other questions before we closing our session 9 o'clock? So far clear. Hopefully you understand all the points that I'm giving today. And when is our next, Selena?
16, Doc. 16.
16. Okay. Coming this Thursday, we have a Zoom meeting with the company, is it?
Saturday.
This Saturday. I will join for a while, just for a simple motivation talk and some updates on the COVID on this Saturday. Hopefully you all join that today, that on Saturday event. I will join a bit later because Saturday is in my clinic is quite a lot. So I will join around 4:30 up to 5 o'clock, half an hour will be there.
It starts at 4, Zoom meeting.
Yeah, Zoom meeting. Okay, it's a Zoom meeting. Actually, we plan to come down to Kuching. Okay, actually, we already planned to come down to Kuching. But, you know, suddenly the case is going up. So we all decided to stop, put a full stop and change to Zoom meeting for time being. Later, we will have some kind of motivation camp in Kuching. We plan it ready, but you know, the COVID is keep on up and down, up and down. Now you still confused where you select a date, end of the day, you cannot go. Okay, so good. I think we can close our session today. Saina? No further questions?
The talk, right? Get in touch with DXN coaching office. They can still register. Yeah, get in touch with DXN coaching office. Okay,
very good, very good. So see you on Saturday. I will be in a Zoom meeting on this Saturday for the coaching event, and see you all there. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Doc. See you on the 16th.